I'm always on the lookout for new ideas and ways to improve my content and share it with you guys. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell that you will not miss any update. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you have 3 amazing Dollar Tree kitchen organization DIYs or kitchen decor DIYs that I hope you will like it. For the first project, I found this rectangle sign at Dollar Tree, and also I grabbed this shelf that I have in my stash. You can find it at Dollar Tree as well. Additionally, I picked up the 2 long signs and 2 wooden crates which are repurposed for my coffee station. First project is making a coffee station DIYs. The key element for these 3 projects that I want to share with you today is this beautiful floral vinyl that I got from Dollar Tree. Is going to add a lovely touch to our kitchen decorations. The first thing for this project, I'm going to remove any unnecessary part for the 2 long sign that I will be using for the top shelf. Then I will use popsicle sticks and glue them together with the wood glue and hot glue to create a long piece. Next, I will cover it with this floral vinyl, making sure to sand down any excess vinyl for a smooth finish. Like this. Got the piece. Voila. I have this piece. I'm gonna sand it down and put it on top the shelf. Now let's move on to the wooden crates. I will cover the front of the crates with the same floral vinyl and sand out the edges for a polished look. So I cut out a piece for this vinyl and cover the front. But my fine nail is Sharpie, so to pitch in between each of the slots, then use this sandbox to sand down around the crates. Now I will take the other rectangle sign and remove the bunny on top. Then I will cover the piece with the same floral vinyl. Voila, like this. Cut a piece, cover the rectangle sign. To create a support for this piece, I'm going to use these tumbling blocks as legs. I will attach 2 blocks in each corner using wood glue and hot glue. This will give the coffee station stability and unique touch. I go back to the crates. I punch in with this fine nail that I did before, and I make sure to make a big space between the slots and set down with this fine nail. Next, I'm going to add 2 knobs to the crates. I will use 2 wooden beads and attach them with wood glue and hot glue. This will give our coffee station some extra charm. Finally, I create an inside base for our crates. I have a piece of poster board and I will cover it with the same floral vinyl to give it a cohesive look. And there you have it. Our coffee station is complete. I love how this coffee station turned out. Isn't it amazing how a few simple dollar items and touch of creativity can transform your kitchen? Let me know in your comment below what you think about this first DIY. Today's video is a part of What Would You Make collaboration. Let's talk about this collaboration before to jump to the second DIY. For today's video, we are part of What Would You Make collaboration hosted by 2 incredibly talented crafters, Zina from the Okia Home DIY and Connie from Connie's Wood Shop and DIY's channel. Together, they created a platform for fellow crafters to showcase their skills and inspire viewers. For this month, we have 2 crafty ladies from the Deco Easy channel have joined us as guests, bringing their own unique style to the table. Don't forget to check out the description box below the video where you will find links to all the participating channels. It's a bunch of inspiration and creativity waiting for you to explore. You can also find a playlist dedicated to this collaboration where you will be able to enjoy watching incredible crafters, working with wood, and creating amazing DIYs. Don't forget to check out all these channels. For this DIY, you will need 16 paint sticks and some popsicle sticks. Start by painting all the sticks with white chalk paint. Once they are dry, lay out the floral vinyl on your table and place 8 paint sticks on top, covering them with a beautiful floral vinyl. Make sure to cut out between the sticks. Grab each one and use a strong file nail to sand down the excess vinyl all around the sticks. Now let's create the size of the crate. Take 4 paint sticks that have already been covered with the vinyl. Leave an even gap between each stick to create a slated design. Use wood glue and hot glue to attach the 3 popsicle sticks in the back, ensuring they are evenly spaced. They will provide stability and support. Repeat the same process to create the other side of the crate using 4 more paint sticks covered with vinyl and attaching the popsicle sticks in the back with wood glue and hot glue. Next, let's create the base of the crate using 4 long sticks and 3 popsicle sticks. Attach them together with wood glue and hot glue. Once the base is complete, glue square wood beads in each corner of the base to help attach the sides of the crate. This will provide additional support. Again, use wood glue and hot glue with these steps. Now we attach the 2 sides of the crate with wood glue and hot glue again. Voila, the 2 sides. Moving on to the front of the crate, glue 2 paint sticks in the front and 2 in the back to provide more support and enhance the overall look. You can also add small pieces of the floral vinyl between each pair of the long sticks for adhesive design, like this. And in the bottom too. Voila. As you see, I have also added the word home to the front of the crate. I traced the letters from the vinyl and cut them out to spell the word. This crate helps organize items like the napkin holder and small coaster and other kitchen items too. So I cut out a piece of cardboard to the size of the bottom of the crate. This will serve as the base. Cover the cardboard with a floral vinyl to give an adhesive touch. What do you think, guys? I love how this DIY turned out too. And I hope it's inspired you to get creative with your own kitchen organization project. And let me know in your comment below what you think about this DIY. And let's jump to the third one. Stay tuned. For this DIY, we need 2 long paint sticks and 2 small paint sticks and white chalk paint. Start by painting all the paint sticks with white chalk paint first. For this project, we want to create a small ladder for cup holder. Then we cut the 2 small paint sticks into 2 equal sized pieces each. For this project, avoid using popsicle sticks as they may be too lightweight for holding cups securely. Next, we take the 4 small wood sticks and glue them together with wood glue and hot glue. Ensure that they are evenly spaced to create the ladder structure. Allow the glue to dry completely. Next, cover those sticks with floral vinyl to give it a matching appearance with our kitchen decor. We are using the magnet clips from our stash. Attach them to the ladder. These clips will hold the cups in place securely. Like this. Voila. And trace out the word home on the floral vinyl and cut out each letter. Peel and stick these letters onto the front of each cup to add some decor or some details. So draw and cut out flower shapes from the vinyl. Stick these flower stickers onto the letter at various spots. Voila. Let's see. Next, let's see the final look for this DIY. Voila. What do you think about this DIY? Let me know in your comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. As always, keep creating and stay inspired. See you soon. A bientôt. Bye.